In this activity, we need to find the fourth derivatives. So the given is negative 3x to the 5th power plus 3x to the 4th power minus x squared plus 2x plus 52. In this case, I already solved the third derivative so that I can find the fourth derivative. The first need to do is move to the left this 180 squared plus 72x so that it will become 180 times d over dx squared plus 72 times d over dx so that it will become 180 times 2x plus 72 times 1 so that it will become 360x plus 72. This is the final answer.
For problem number 1, we have our given, which is y is equal to cube root of x cubed minus 4x plus 3. And then what are we going to do here is we will apply the chain rule. So y prime is equal to 1 over cube root x cubed minus 4x plus 3 multiplied by the derivatives of the terms inside the radical, which is 3x squared minus 4. Now, if we multiply this, we will have our final answer as y prime is equal to 3x squared minus 4 all over cube root of x cubed minus 4x plus 3. For our problem number 2, we have here our given, which is x cubed minus 3x squared y plus 2xy squared equals 10. Now, what are we going to do here is to apply an implicit differentiation. So, since we will derive our y with respect to x, we can rewrite our given like this. Now, let's start to derive. First, we need to get the derivatives of our x cubed, which is 3x squared. Next, we need to derive our negative 3x squared, so that will going to be negative 6x, and then we will just copy the y. Since it is product, we need to use plus sign, and then we need to copy the first term, which is negative 3x squared, multiply by the derivative of our second term, which is y, and that is 1. And after we derive the y, we will put dy over dx with respect to x. Then plus, derive the 2x, which is 2, and then copy the second term, which is y squared. Then use plus sign, copy the first term, 2x, then derive the y squared, which is 2y, then dy over dx equals 0 as the derivatives for the constant. Now here, we will just multiply them. Copy the 3x squared, then negative 6x times y is negative 6xy, plus the negative 3x squared times 1 is going to be the same, then the dy over dx, then plus 2y squared, then plus 2 times y squared is 2y squared, plus 2x times 2y, that will become 4xy, and then the dy over dx equals 0. Now, what are we going to do next is to transpose other terms without dy over dx into right side. Now, in left side, we will be left with our negative 3x squared dy over dx plus 4xy dy over dx is equal to negative 3x squared plus 6xy minus 2y squared. Now, we can factor out our dy over dx. Now we have dy over dx negative 3x squared plus 4xy is equal to negative 3x squared plus 6xy minus 2y squared, and then we will divide it by the value of our dy dx. And then the negative 3x squared plus 4xy will be cancelled. Then if we divide, we are left with dy over dx is equal to 3xy minus 2y squared over 2xy. And that is our final answer.